Okay, we're going to go to section 2, which is personal tax and individuals. Are there any changes to the tax brackets or the top marginal tax rate?
The top marginal tax rate is unfortunately not changing. The main bracket change is going to be at the lower level, which is between $18,200 and $45,000. And the rate will shift there from 16% down to 15% for the 2027 financial year. The 2028 financial year, it will reduce further to 14%, which saves people, around about $270 a year in 2027 and $530 annually from 2028 onwards.
Okay, thanks, Luke. And what is the working Australian tax offset that we've been hearing about and who qualifies?
Yeah, this is a permanent $250 annual offset that's going to be applied from the 2028 financial year. It's targeted to affect most working Australians. About 97% of 13 million workers will be eligible, and they'll receive that full offset, which equates to around about a cup of coffee a week.
Okay, it's not much, but there's something there.
Yeah.
And just to clarify, is that on all income types or is it just wage earners?
It's really only employment and business income, so anyone that's receiving income from investments wouldn't qualify.
Okay. We've also heard about this $1,000 instant work-related deduction. Can you just explain how that works and the benefits, and maybe in some instances where it's not a benefit?
Yeah. Look, it's been couched as a simplification measure. It's something that will apply to anyone that's earning income from employment, and it will enable them just to claim a flat $1,000 amount for work-related expenses. It does mean that you won't be able to claim other specific deductions that are maybe there, and so therefore we'd probably see this applying to very simplified tax returns, maybe certain occupations that typically have higher claims. So, for example, real estate agents or anyone that's using their cars, travelling salespeople, for example, would typically still be better off claiming their actual deductions.
Yep. And clients and people new to LDB can work with the advisors to work out the best way and best approach.
Absolutely. That's part of what we offer, is really this focus around making sure that you're able to claim the most that you can. And we would certainly, as part of any tax return preparation, be considering your options there with regard to the standard claim.